just making a vlog. So, what do you guys think about this blizzard going on?
It's alright. Kind of weak.
Kind of weak. It's the first blizzard I've ever been in. School's off tomorrow. Yep.
Yeah, there's no work tomorrow.
So, why are you guys out?
Yeah, it helps. So it's like drinking games.
Oh, sounds like fun.
No fun drink whatever they want.
No, it's okay. My mom's over there. Okay.
Why are you talking to strangers?
No, he told me to.
It's really big, and then they're like, you want to come drink?
Very good, Amber.
No, they did not.
Alright, so here we are. Just enjoying hot chocolate at 7-Eleven. I just interviewed some strangers. They asked me to go drink with them. I'm 14. It's my mom chowing down on some hot dog. Me and Cindy both got hot chocolates. Cindy just spilled. Yeah, so I'll update you guys again when we go back out. But look at these windows. You can't even see anything. It's pretty crazy. Alright. Okay, so we're about to go back out there. Get my hot chocolate. Come on, guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
We'll probably stop back again.
Alright, you enjoy this.
You too. Oh, God, it hit me. Okay. Oh, I was not prepared. It's going down my back. Can you put my hood up? Okay.
Broadway, here we come.
We're on our... Oh, it's a police car. I should interview him. No, I shouldn't. He'd arrest me for being out past curfew. One of those hooligans doing that quickly. Man, those people are drunk. Those people you asked me to interview asked me to go drink with. No, and I was like, I'm sorry, I'm 14. And I was like, my mom's right there. Yeah, that's what I said. And they're like, oh, really? Okay.
Then they stopped giving you an interview, didn't they?
It's not so bad down Diversey. But, oh, look at rainbow trout's on sale. I'm gonna put this all over YouTube.
Okay.
Once again, the streets are deserted. Diversey, always a very crowded street, is now empty. As you guys can see, walking against this wind is very hard. Hi, walking back. Doing okay there, Mom? You can't...
Oh, I'm doing good.
All right.
You can't even see.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. It's really
Waiting
cold.
for the this is covering my mouth.
See? I see, Mom. People around there.
People.
People. What do you mean couple car? Oh, right there. Now you called us people. Hi, people! Alright, don't say hi. Jerks. No parking when snow's over 2 inches. Yeah, good thing there's no parking.
Stop encouraging your 14-year-old to talk to drunk people.
How you guys doing?
Hey, happy blizzard!
You too! Have fun! Why does everybody say that? I thought Mommy was crazy. Happy blizzard!
Because they're drunk and so
It's a holiday. Blizzard! Yeah, they're drunk. Look at them. Playing whatever they're playing out there. Poor people. You doing okay? Making a video. Just clearing off the... Yep. Alright. Careful.
Happy blizzard.
We're about to pass a bar where only the alcoholics stay during a blizzard. Here's one. An alcoholic at its natural habitat. Hello, you guys. What you guys doing out during a blizzard?
Drinking.
Just drinking. Oh no, we're making a video live.
I was making a video too.
Yeah. My first blizzard. Look at some people down there just talking.
a winter hurricane.
Oh yeah. What's my mom doing? Oh, she's back there. You can't even see her right now, actually. Come on, Mom! You okay? Oh, look at more drunk people. Only the craziest.
We should give Mommy $5 so she can go get a beer at the bar.
Oh my God, is he really gonna pick them up?
On a random ass.
The people are just randomly getting in this person's car. They might go missing tomorrow. Oh my God. They're getting in a random car. They don't know this person.
Yeah, you know, random bus downs. Jump in a random car.
Wow, that sounds safe.
Sorry, I didn't get their license plates. They go missing.
From the fire truck.
Picking up the pole that fell on our building.
Where did my hot chocolate go? Oh.
No,
it's okay. Oh, look, it's a snowplow.
What a fail. He's in front of it instead of behind it. They're crazy.
It's not that bad out. Oh, it's a bus! Oh my God, I want to interview that bus driver.
He's not going to stop and have a conversation with you.
But you know what? He's on that bus. This blizzard's getting pretty. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's another bus. It's a bus reunion.
That taxi's still there.
Oh my God! That taxi is still there, guys. You doing okay? Oh yeah, we've been out here for hours.
8 hours. The car's stuck on the E-way. We were stuck on the bus for 5 hours.
Oh my gosh! That bus?
Yeah, somebody had a heart attack, and then the plows got stuck. Everything got stuck.
Wow, it's been nice talking to you. I know so much more. I'm out here recording that horrible thing. Helping a fellow stranger. Okay.
Are you going to be okay?
Poor old lady. Oh, look. I have it on video. She's like, I help you! Yeah. Nice thing you did. Oh my God, look at that snow.
Oh, there's a spot in the road.
Oh my God, I take that bus to school.
Right, Amber. You want to see video?
Record the death trap.
Ah, I ruined it! Ow! This is so stuck! I'm the blizzard! My mom's gonna fall! Ah! I can't run it! Hold on, breaking!
Alright, so my mom found a friend. She's about to interview them. Ask them what they think about this snowstorm. They don't know who we are.
Hi guys. Making a vlog. Oh!
I think we already interviewed you.
That's you!
I don't know. Okay, go ahead.
So, what do you guys think about Blizzard? Okay, I'll ask him.
He was stuck on Lakeshore Drive.
Yeah, I know. How long ago were you supposed to be at work? 4? And what time did you leave at? Wow. That's pretty quiet. Hi, LJ. There's an ambulance out there. We don't know what happened. All right, Mom. Hey, yeah. Let's go. Say goodbye to everybody. What do you think of Blizzard 2011?
It's crazy.
Ah.
People were making snow angels right now.
Oh, that was us.
We saw you. We saw you. I saw you guys. Me and Snatch. I was like, those two people are crazy. Like,
Yeah. Bye, OJ. Bye.
This is crazy.
Talk to you guys on Facebook.
Here we go.
All right, these are the poles that are building. The wind doesn't seem so bad. This is the poles that are building, decided to keep up during the blizzard. This looks, oh my god, look, they moved forward.
Look at that.
Yeah, this looks safe. Amber's jumping, you psycho! And we're home. Finally home.